Bedbugs, tiny insects with a giant reputation for causing sleepless nights. While many people rush to chemicals, did you know that across the world, people have been using plants, yes, plants, to repel and control bedbugs for centuries? In today's video, we'll explore the amazing power of nature's green defenders, plants that can help you fight bedbugs naturally and safely. Our journey begins in India with the Neem tree, also called the tree of life. Neem leaves, seeds, and oils contain natural compounds that disrupt the life cycle of bedbugs. Spraying neem oil diluted with water on bedding and cracks suffocates the pests while keeping your home safe. Next, we travel to the lavender fields of Europe. Loved for its soothing fragrance, lavender oil is hated by bedbugs. Historically, people tucked lavender sachets in mattresses to keep insects away. Today, lavender sprays are a natural and sweet-smelling solution. In North America and beyond, peppermint isn't just for tea. Its menthol-rich oil overwhelms bedbugs, forcing them to scatter. A simple peppermint spray on bedding and travel bags can work wonders. Down under in Australia, two mighty plants help keep pests away: tea tree and eucalyptus. Their oils are sharp, medicinal, and powerful against bedbugs. They purify the air while making your home unwelcoming to these pests. In East Africa, farmers grow chrysanthemums not just for beauty, but for protection. Their flowers produce pyrethrums, natural insecticides that paralyze bedbugs on contact. In fact, many modern sprays still come from this ancient plant wisdom. Across the spice islands of Indonesia, clove oil has been used as a powerful pest repellent. In the Mediterranean, oregano, with its carvacrol and thymol, adds another layer of defense. And from the Americas, cayenne pepper forms a fiery barrier that bedbugs dare not cross. These everyday kitchen spices hold secrets of protection, from neem groves to lavender fields, from eucalyptus forests to spice markets. The wisdom of nature shows us that we don't always need harsh chemicals. While these plants may not wipe out a heavy infestation alone, they are powerful allies for prevention and eco-friendly control. Sometimes the smallest leaves carry the greatest strength. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural living tips, and share it with someone who might need this knowledge. Together, let's spread the wisdom.